According to NASA, the Transition Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, has discovered an Earth-sized exoplanet located in the habitable zone of the orbiting Dolphin, Dorado, constellation. This exoplanet, named TOI 700e, is at the right distance from the star for water to be found on a planet's surface, and where conditions are neither too hot nor too cold for life. The planet, which orbits the star in 28 days, is 95% the size of Earth, and consists of its rocky cover. NASA researcher Emily Gilbert said in a statement, "This is one of the few systems we know of with multiple, small, habitable zone planets." Emphasizing that this discovery is an exciting progress to follow the TOI 700 system more closely, Gilbert said that the recently discovered TOI 700e exoplanet is approximately 10% smaller than the previous discovery TOI 700d, and with TESS observations. He pointed out that it also helped to find increasingly smaller worlds. TOI 700d completes its orbit in 37 days. Experts previously detected 3 exoplanets called TOI 700b, C, and D in the system named TOI 700. The planet TOI 700d is also in orbit in the habitable zone. But it came at the end of an additional year of TESS observations for scientists to discover TOI 700e. Ben Horde, a doctoral candidate at the University of Maryland, College Park, said, "If the star were a little closer or the planet was a little larger, we would find TOI 700e in TESS. We could detect it in the first year of its data. But the signal was so weak that we needed another year of transit observations to detect it." And after all that, what came to my mind was a little strange. What kind of life will these new worlds that we colonize offer us? Even thinking about them being like Callisto Protocol or Prometheus is enough to shudder a little. Do you think it is absurd to think that we are alone in the universe, which is such a habitable planet, or not to think about them? I think all this pulls us to a different point. As we go about our daily lives, it is very easy to forget the enormous size of the universe. Earth may seem like a big place, but in reality, our planet is a tiny speck in a grain of sand in a universe estimated to contain billions of galaxies. When we look at the sky on a starry night, we have every reason to be amazed and intrigued. Based on the size of the universe and the incredible abundance of galaxies, stars and planets in it, definitely there must be other conscious beings out there somewhere, we think. Consider the mind-boggling numbers. Even the most conservative NASA estimates say that our universe is home to 500 billion stars like our own sun, and that there are 100 billion Earth-like planets orbiting these stars. That's 100 habitable planets for every grain of sand on Earth, and trillions of opportunities for life to emerge on another planet. If even just 0.1% of these life-supporting planets harbor some version of it, then only one of the Milky Way galaxy has life. Million planets. According to the Drake equation, developed by scientists such as Frank Drake, John C. Lly, Carl Sagan, and Otto Struve to measure the statistical probability of intelligent life in the universe, thousands of intelligent civilizations must exist in our galaxy alone, the Milky Way. A few may have developed civilizations like us, and cosmically speaking, humanity should be waking up to a universe like the Star Trek world if only a handful of alien civilizations had advanced beyond our current level of technological advancement. So, according to the new parameters used, there must be at least 36 advanced active intelligent civilizations capable of radio broadcasting in our galaxy, the Milky Way. However, we have not found any traces of Ferengi, Klingon, Vulcan, Romulans so far. Radio signals aside, some advanced civilizations that came before us should have had enough time to fill our galaxy with spacecraft and other forms of flashing light. Therefore, it must seem surprisingly strange that we haven't seen anyone else. So why haven't we found any traces of them? Physicist Enrico Fermi asked a similar question. Where is everybody? According to the dark forest hypothesis solution to the Fermi paradox, the reason why we cannot find traces of intelligent extraterrestrial life forms is that civilizations deliberately prefer to remain silent. Liu Cixin's science fiction book The Dark Forest explores the rationale for this possible solution. The argument put forward for this solution in the book is as follows: all intelligent life forms have a survival instinct. There is no guaranteed way to know in advance whether the other civilization will destroy you if it gets the chance. In the novel, intelligent life forms avoid any risky action that could threaten them in order to protect their existence. Any contact is therefore considered dangerous, because one or more advanced intelligent life forms aiming to guarantee their own existence are destroying other intelligent life forms that reveal their position. This situation causes civilizations to try to hide every trace that may reveal their existence. The rationale behind this seemingly paranoia idea is explained in the book as follows. Every civilization is an armed hunter who wanders like a ghost among the trees, gently pushing aside the branches that block the way and trying to take his steps silently, hiding his tracks. Even breathing is taken care of. The hunter must be careful because there are sneaky hunters like him all over the forest. If he finds another life, whether a hunter, an angel or a demon, a delicate child or a staggering old man, or a fairy or a demigod, there is only one thing he can do: open the first fire and destroy them.